His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa sent a cable of congratulations to President of the United Arab Emirates, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, on the occasion of the Union Pledge Day anniversary. This commemoration marks the historic meeting on July 18, 1971, during which the late founder of the UAE, His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, and the rulers of the Emirates signed the Union document and the Constitution of the UAE and announced the Union Declaration and the official name of the United Arab Emirates. In the cable, His Majesty the King expressed his sincere congratulations and best wishes to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan and to the people of the brotherly UAE, wishing them continued progress and prosperity. His Majesty also praised the pioneering development process witnessed by the UAE in many fields and the distinguished position it has achieved regionally and internationally. He wished the UAE and its people further prosperity under the wise leadership of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The Minister of Finance, National Economy, Chairman of the Board of Bahrain Mumtalakat Holding Company, Sheikh Salman bin Khalifa Al Khalifa, met with U.S. Secretary of Commerce Howard Lutnick. The Bahrain Institute for Political Development organized the...
Dear guests, a very good morning to you all. It's a pleasure to be here today for this important event that's taking place during the visit of His Royal Highness Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa, the Crown Prince and Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Bahrain, to Washington, D.C. I'd like to thank you, Secretary Lutnick, for hosting us today. It is wonderful to be in this important building, and it's a great reminder as to the importance and ambition of U.S. trade that when this building was built, it was the largest building in the world. We can really feel that level of activity with regards to prioritizing U.S. trade coming back, and the strength of the Bahraini-U.S. partnership is one that goes back to the late 1800s, is a partnership that we are very proud of, and our official relations, military to military, from 1948, and that has been going from strength to strength. And today, we're very happy to be marking an important part of our trade relationship. During the visit of His Royal Highness the Crown Prince, as you mentioned, Mr. Secretary, we have announced over $17 billion of agreements and deals during this trip. This reflects a shared commitment to mutual growth and prosperity. It strengthens our economic ties, but also importantly, it reinforces our collaborative efforts in security, technology, and trade. The acquisition of the 18 Dreamliners that's being announced today is a testament to Gulf Air's commitment to modernizing our fleet and enhancing service offerings. They will be powered by GE Aerospace engines. And in addition, it's wonderful also to see the signing of a memorandum of understanding with Boeing to explore localized maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO) capabilities in Bahrain. As we look to expand our footprint in the aviation sector and in servicing the important and growing aviation sector in our Gulf region, using and fostering local talent is extremely important to ensure that we are able to continue to service U.S. product in our region as you expand sales of U.S. aircraft and aviation and engines into the region. And as we look ahead, this partnership with Boeing does strengthen Gulf Air's position as an airline, but also importantly reinforces the Kingdom of Bahrain's status as an aviation hub. We appreciate the time and the arrangements, Mr. Secretary, that you have made to allow us to celebrate this important step in our journey and the continued strengthening of Bahrain-U.S. relations, which are most importantly built on trust and shared aspirations for a future. I mentioned in my remarks at the U.S. Chamber the other day the length and breadth and depth of the Bahraini-U.S. relationship. It's not only trade, it is trust, and it's not only investment, it is a commitment. And I reiterate that today. Thank you, Mr. Secretary.
The Bahrain Institute for Political Development organized the first week of the third edition program titled Betting the Future in its first phase through 3 specific training events. The program's activities aim to qualify a young generation that is aware of the political process and able to contribute to it. It comes in line with the royal vision, which believes that youth are the main pillar of the future. The program comes as a continuation of the successes achieved in the previous edition, as it allows youth to gain a deeper understanding of political and parliamentary work and develop their skills in an environment that is conducive to the political process. The program extends through 3 phases, including courses, workshops, dialogue meetings, field visits, and the qualification and simulation phase, which enhances the readiness of participants to engage effectively in political and public life. Now, government hospitals have launched 24/7 operations at the Hereditary Blood Disorders Centre at Salmania Medical Complex to improve medical response and support those most in need. The move aims to enhance specialised healthcare and strengthen the readiness of Bahrain's health sector. Let's have a look.
As part of ongoing efforts to improve specialised healthcare in Bahrain, government hospitals have launched 24-hour operations at the Hereditary Blood Disorders Centre in Salmania Medical Complex. This aims to enhance emergency care, especially for patients with sickle cell disease, by reducing waiting times and ensuring faster, more effective medical response. The centre offers continuous monitoring and treatment, addressing both urgent and follow-up needs to improve patient outcomes. It combines specialized expertise with the infrastructure required to manage various hereditary blood disorders effectively. This initiative supports Bahrain's national strategy to prioritize public health and build a sustainable, integrated healthcare system through government hospitals across the kingdom.